Here we go. We just pulled on
Pit Lane, Megan.
We're on Pit Road. This is awesome.
But there's that sign that you can never read if you're in the sun. Your car is sweet.
Thank you.
Welcome. See, I told you I could do it. You said I'm over. Yeah, exactly.
There's the pace car.
Oh dang, that guy's on a motorcycle. That's tight.
That is cool.
That would be an even better experience.
Yeah, it would. That would be kind of fun, huh? Unless he just lays over and crashes. Then it would suck.
Word. Woo.
Come on, man. Oh. Don't be a pussy. Oh.
What's that up? Man, we're going slow. 0 G's, we're gonna fly off. 0 G's. There's some gravity.
Hey, this is cool. I'm gonna go up by the wall. I'm gonna go up in the gray.
Don't scrape our car.
I won't.
My feet, they're like stinging.
Yeah.
It's like a million tiny bites. Do you feel it too? It's a new feeling. Not new. It's windy. My feet hurts. My hair.
Hey, they're letting us go fast. I'm going 78. Yeah! Don't lose your paper. This is fun.
It's like getting punched in the face by wind. My feet!
Go down to the bottom. On the bottom lane.
I'm trying to, but I can't. I can't open my eyes. It's hard to open my eyes. Whoa, my taquitos are flying.
Hey, past the finish line. That was cool. Oh, they're slowing down.
This isn't lame. Taquitos.
They won't let us pass.
Whoa, look at the flock of birds. Look it, there's a whole bunch of them. I can't even see. I shouldn't have brought my hat.
Yeah, let's go up on the wall. This wall doesn't have as much of a bank as the other one.
This is awesome.
Cool.
Did I come around here?
This time I'm going to go high on the far wall. We're going 70 right now. Oh, you can really feel that bank come in. awesome.
Don't mess with your hat, baby doll. We'll fix
That's why
it.
the brace is going on to your hats.
Yeah.
Man, tape
Why is this guy passing me here?
Leave it, baby. We'll fix it. I
tape
promise.
is flying off.
Okay.
That was
That is
fun.
fine, but... Hey, that's Jonathan's phone number.
This is where they go when they blow up. They turn here.
Yeah. We're heading into the garage area. And there was our pace car.
Just show the tunnel too.
Wow.
Thank you! That was fun!
Now let's go 100.
This is where Jimmy Johnson pulls in.
Hey, he never pulls in here.
So where do we go for
He
the other
never
thing?
has to after this.
Well,
He
it's over
never.
here.
No, he has to after this.
That was awesome.
Good?
Yeah.